Let's begin the match in 3, 2, 1, go!
We're going to see a good match here. All teams on this field with relatively similar high scores. And Techineers are going away at that gate, hitting shot after shot. Titans following it up. Seeing a relatively close match here. Red and blue staying around the same. Red with a couple more artifacts in that gate. Around the field, we're looking at a lot of artifacts by the red
Drivers,
ramp.
pick up your controllers.
Both ramps relatively full, maybe some motifs in them, but we're going to see a lot of traffic over there in that red ramp corner.
3, 2, 1.
And Techineers quickly grabbing those spare artifacts around and opening up that gate. Worm going over to the red tunnel, trying to grab as much as they can. Both teams look to be prioritizing grabbing from their loading zones, but the Titans moving around. Look to be a lot of contact over here, grabbing just the spare artifacts that are coming up towards front here. Red kind of taking a lead here. Metalbenders and Worm both fighting for that far diamond spot. But the Techineers are just moving like clockwork on that red goal, shooting close. And the Titans look to maybe have an artifact stuck in their intake, but the Blue Alliance. And now Metalbenders and Worm still fighting for that far spot. Metalbenders are going to take advantage of all of those artifacts that Techineers are releasing. Looking at a little bit of overload over there on that red ramp. Blue ramp might see it soon. That gate is looking pretty full. We're getting almost to the end here. Red taking it away 60 to 19, 20 in terms of artifacts. Worm just nailing those far shots as much as they can. But the blue ramp is full. Might be looking to open it or maybe save some motifs for the very end. Get some of those last points, maybe some ranking points. 4 seconds left. Looking to get some maybe partial parks here on the Blue Alliance.
65. And we got a winner, that is Red Alliance! With a score of 255 points, 5 ranking points for this match. Let's see in a close moment the score for 66.